Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest Honor mobile phones, the Honor Magic 7 Lite and Honor GT. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP65 rating. Next, compare display features. Honor Magic 7 Lite comes with 6.78 inches AMOLED display, and the Honor GT comes with 6.7 inches AMOLED display. Hardware features. Both two devices are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer two rear cameras and also 16 megapixel front cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity to the speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.